I just kind of have like one golden rule. So follow the recommendations
Yes.
of the last treatment that you had.
Yes.
When you can do another one of those, then you can do that or anything else you want.
A commonly asked question
Yes.
when you want to do a lot of things. So you want to do some needling, you want to do maybe some IPL treatments, you want to do some peels.
Oh, let's grab that.
Yeah, let's talk about this.
Too.
Yes.
We got this too.
We get a
We can
lot.
do everything.
We get
How do we do it all?
There we go. Look at this. There we go.
I have everything.
Yes. And it's a common question.
Yes.
Sometimes they go to a professional to
Yes.
have something done.
CO2 lasers and
Yes,
things like
there's
that.
all kinds of fun things out there on the market now. And they'd like, a lot of times a client will go and have that done. And let's be honest, they get a little bit of sticker shock because it's quite costly when you go to the dermatologist to get a laser
can be.
treatment or, one of those treatments done. They start researching things and realize that, I could, alternate some things. So let's help guide them the best way to plan a nice treatment, a series
Just
of
keep moving
treatments
forward.
to keep moving forward.
Yeah. And, I just kind of have like one golden rule. So follow the recommendations
Yes.
of the last treatment that you had.
Yes.
When you can do another one of those, then you can do that or anything else you want.
Got it.
So if you went in and you had a CO2 laser
Yes.
and they said, well, you can do another one in 60 days, you have to wait 60 days.
Because your skin needs that time.
There's that time. That's what we always have to follow what you just did. And if you had it done somewhere, you have to ask the practitioner.
Yes.
And just ask, when can I get another one of these done?
Correct.
Oh, well, you're going to have to wait 60 days. Okay. And then just know
Then
that.
you
You don't have
know.
to schedule your appointment because you're just, information fishing, actually.
Yeah, you're just wondering.
So you're like, okay, so I can do something else in 60 days.
Yes.
All right. So when that 60 days is up, you choose to do a TCA peel. All right. Well, when you do a TCA peel, you have to wait 30 days.
Yes.
So when 30 days is up,
Yes.
now you can make a choice. What do I want to do? Oh, I want to do some needling.
Yes.
Yay, micro-infusion today. So you do this.
Yes.
And now you've got to follow the recommendations
Right.
of this.
Yes.
So if you did a mild, maybe once over, you could do it in 2 weeks. If you did a more aggressive, you're looking at
Yes.
3 or 4 weeks. You have to wait until that time is up before you can do something else. There is no sneaking things in between. I can't do a Mandelic peel in between my TCA peels. And
Yeah,
I can't
yeah.
do needling in between this. The only thing, there is one thing that you can do always at any time after anything.
Yes.
And that's LED.
Yes. Or illuminate.
Yes. That is healing. And if you're using the red and infrared settings, that reduces inflammation in the skin. So if you have, a burn from something or, you just finished your needling, you did a peel, your skin is inflamed, you can use that. You can use that after anything. You
Right
can use
after
it
your
after
treatment.
surgery. You can use that. It's healing. That is exactly what it's for, to reduce that inflammation and heal. And I want to say there's some benefits with the blue as well, but you want to be careful not to use too much blue unless you really need it because it affects
The bacteria.
the oil.
I know it does something with the
It
bacteria.
kills the bacteria. And, we don't want to claim it's antibacterial, but technically that's what it
helps
does.
with an acne
for
cycle.
acne.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but it can also be beneficial for healing. I want to say blue is also anti-inflammatory.
Nice.
But predominantly, let's try to focus using the red
Yeah.
and infrared settings. So, this is easy. And let's say you throw a Vis IPL in there. This can be done multiple times a week.
Right.
Right? So most of them are like 2 to 3 times per week, whether you're doing, the rejuvenation cartridge or the hair removal cartridge. So same thing. If this says, 2 times per week and you're done this week, well, then you can do whatever. You can do a
Sure.
peel or you can do needling. You can do whatever you want. Just follow the rule. Just remember that rule and always follow it. Always, always. And I'll just repeat this again. follow the recommendations
Yes.
of the last treatment that you did.
Yes.
Whatever it is, when you can do another one of those, you can do
Correct.
that or anything else you want to do. It's that simple. Doesn't matter what it is.
So right now, a customer could get a calendar, something like that, to jot some things down.
They
I know
could.
we have something exciting.
We have something in the works. We have a new app
something
coming.
in the works that is our new app. I didn't know for sure if I could
Yeah, we can say
disclose
it.
that.
It's in the works. We're hoping to have it out within the next month or two. It should be
Yeah.
available for testing. But what's going to be in there is going to be like a calendar setting,
Yeah.
right? So you're going to be able to put in, well, I'm doing my alchemy needling. I want to do needling, and I want to do a mandelic peel, and I also have a TCA peel, and it's going to help you to schedule those.
Sure.
And it's also going to teach you when you want to stop using your retinoids. Like you want to stop using retinoids, or you want to stop using strong acids like serum 15
That's
or
fun.
30, tretinoin,
Yeah.
things like that. You want to stop that 4 to 6 days prior to doing a peel. Let's say with needling, you don't really have to stop 4 to 6 days. You could stop a couple days if you want. So that's not going to play too big of a part. It's mostly
Right.
going to be for peels and things like that.
Absolutely.
But that's going to help you schedule. You're going to be able to take little notes. You're going to be
Sure.
able to take pictures.
Yeah.
So it's going to prompt you to take a picture every time you go to do a
that's
peel
fun.
and things. So that's going to make it really easy for you to know too.
And it will
how to
give
schedule
them
things.
an alert, like, hey, it's 5
Yeah.
days before your next
Yes,
scheduled
don't
peel.
use Fusion A tonight.
Oh, it's going to be amazing.
Yes, and it'll get go right into their alerts of their calendar on their phone.
That's exciting.
Yeah, it's awesome.
We have such new and exciting things coming down.
New things
So when you're
always
trying
coming
to
out.
mix and match, this is kind of a secret weapon
Yes,
because you can use this at any time.
anytime, anywhere.
I used mine last night, my neck and face one. I absolutely love it. I seriously do, and I feel like
No
I am.
irritation, no nothing, and only benefits.
No, and I feel like it's really helping with texture and tightening, and I really enjoy
It's
it.
anti-aging for sure.
Absolutely. And I think it's a great addition. And like I said, it's a little bit of a secret weapon because you can use it after anything,
Anything.
without any issues, downtime. It's going to help with the inflammation. I mean, that's so
Yep.
cool.
Yep, use it all together.
Yeah.
Just follow the rule.
Awesome. Well, excellent.
Any more questions? Give us a call, email us,
Absolutely.
reach
Yep.
out to us on social media. We're always answering.
Yes, we're happy to help.